Okay, JP. We gonna use this three. There you go.
There are ants here. They're my
Okay,
friends.
you get it. You get it. You get it right now.
I'm not gonna do this. I want to leave them alone. I want to
Okay.
They're my friends that don't check.
Yep. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
We're gonna cut JP's hair again.
Yeah, too long.
It's too long and it's summer already. So we're gonna cut his hair while we are washing clothes.
Yeah. Washing clothes a great idea. Oh my nose.
Nakikiliti. Wait! I can... Here you go. Wow, super long hair. JP got a very long hair.
Oh, yeah, my neck.
No, it's not gonna hurt your neck. Ayan guys, this is how we cut JP's hair. Wait a minute.
My belly.
Is it
Guys, look.
Look, what is that? A hair on your belly. It's okay. We're gonna put a powder on you. Yep, we're gonna cut.
Let's see.
No.
Let's see.
And we're gonna put later. Here, let me finish first, okay? Mama's hair need to be cut too.
Too long.
Too long. Huy, be still.
What's that? I'm going to my aunt friends. You're going to
One
my
more.
aunt's
Huh?
friends.
Ants.
Aunt's friends.
Ant from.
Ants.
Ants.
Aunt's friends.
Okay. Be still. I said be still. This is how you cut a toddler hair. Guys cannot be still. See? This is my problem all the time.
just like that.
Yeah, but it's not pantay yet.
Back, not front.
Huh?
Only back.
Only in the back. Yep, it's not. Let me see.
Let's see.
Uh-huh, it's not ready yet. Oh my.
Why you moving my head? Mama, why you moving my head? Mama, why you moving my head?
Huh?
Why you moving my head?
So I can cut the hair in the back. It's a pretty day today, guys. Kaya ayan, mainit. Mainit dito sa amin. Hindi siya ano. I want it pantay.
When you cut my hair, you give my aunt. Give my aunt's friends. Aunt friends.
Can you be still, please? Mapahak jud karon.
Aunt friends that.
Mapahak. JP Pahak.
What?
We gonna call you JP Pahak. Can you be still, please? Kana, anak. Ako jud ang pahak, ha?
I want to be just like my ninja.
Karon ka pahak man ka.
Mama, I want just like that in the middle. Not on here.
It's still long, so I need to cut it more. A little bit shorter. Wait.
Mine.
Oh my. This is how you cut the toddler hair that keep moving. Oh, sige, sige.
I'm done.
No, you're not done yet.
I'm ready finished.
Look, it's not quite ready.
Why you?
Yeah, because look, some of it is not right.
That's how I do it, guys.
That's how you do it, guys. Mama cut JP's
Hair.
hair.
Every time there's a problem, I need to get my hair. All the time on my back up everywhere on the ear.
Let me see your ears.
My ear. Stop. Don't get my eyes.
We are not.
Right here. Why you get them on my head?
Wait. You gonna cut it wrong. I'm telling you.
Get on my head.
I'm not-
Ow!
I did not cut anything. Wait a minute. It's not done. Because this
What's
one is...
that?
What is that?
Ew. Gross. I don't want chicks. That's scary and green all day. No.
Ang hangin, ang hangin. A, B, C, D.
E, F, G. F, G. E, F, G.
Ang hangin. Napupunta sa aking mata.
A, B, C's.
Ang hangin sa labas.
Letter.
Ang mama.
Letter.
Other one.
Letter. Elephant. 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 What's that noise?
That's
Caesar?
mhm.
Why you good with your fingers?
I'm not cutting it with my fingers. I'm cutting it with a scissor.
Got big hair.
Yep, it's tall hair.
Gamble. I'm like
So I
gamble.
need to cut his hair like this.
Guys, I'm like gamble. Gamble's not a nice word, guys.
Let me see this one.
Gamble. That's recording.
I don't know how it's not look right than the other time that Mama cut it. Okay, how can it gonna look pantay if you are doing that?
I want to be Bantay.
Yeah, but I did not see it pantay. And the very back is not pantay.
And the Bantay.
Mhm.
See my Bantay, guys.
Yep, we need to make it pantay.
Yeah, I just like that. One has got his Bantay hair.
Pantay hair.
When you get this one,
Mhm.
and then just like Bantay.
It's like pantay.
Daddy one just like me at that one of them. His hair is growing.
Growing.
That
You want me,
white.
Daddy, to cut his hair? I'm gonna cut Daddy's hair later. When he get home, we're gonna cut Daddy's hair.
Yeah.
Let me see.
You get Daddy hair?
Yeah, I can if he will let me cut his hair.
Don't move, guys. Honest, Mama's good.
When your mama's cutting your hair, don't
Move
move because you might cut your
ears
ears.
and mouth and eyes. Don't let Mama's get let get the nose and ears and mouth and eyes. Don't let them get it. Okay, okay, guys. You
It's not pantay.
I'm just like Daddy. I'm just like Mama. Mama, I'm just like Daddy.
Wait. Let me see the other side.
Oh, over hairs.
Let me see.
Blow my hair out.
Still long.
Mama,
What is that?
that thing. hold it. I'm here. Mama, move. Mama, move.
It's okay. I cannot get it later. The wind is blowing hard.
Yeah,
Wait.
I'm blowing that one too. Hurry. Get that.
No, it's not ready. Your hair is not. Uh-oh.
Yay.
No, it's not ready yet. Come on. There's more. Yay ka dyan. There's one more here. But it didn't,
Good.
it didn't cut. Sobrang hangin. Spring is here. Spring is real.
Why spring is real, guys?
Let me see. The other side is not. I'm not contented with this because look, it's not look right.
Then my face off. Let my face off, guys. Let my face.
Wait.
Let my face
Paano kasi ang likot-likot gupitan? It's a lawnmower. Wait, see, it's not right because you keep moving. Turn. No, don't move.
Guys, I'm friend. And to my friend. Not and friends. And. B for and. B.
B for B is for what?
What is it? I don't know.
Be still. No, move. Move. Like this.
Guys, watch. It's a better press that big button. A better hurry. Press that big button. Video us and picture us all day do that. Okay?
Let me see if you are.
Good.
Okay. Wow. Wow, handsome. Let me see. Let me see the back. Let me see.
I can see a tree.
Yep, right now. We're done. Ayan, guys.
Dun.
Yeah. That's how we cut his hair.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. Yep, that's how Mama's cut his hair. It's not perfect, but it's just
Right.
right. It's not perfect, but it's not. It's just right. Are you handsome now? Say bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone, and watch us do.